Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for a Kroger online account. Open the website at Kroger.com. Then click Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see a button for Create Account. Click on Create Account. Now, enter your first name, last name, email address, and the password you wish to use. Also, if you already have a plus card number or alt ID number, you could enter it on the last field. If none, you could skip that part, then click on the Create Account button. Then this message will appear. If you wish to set up your account now, click on the Get Started button. If not, click on Skip this for now. If you chose to set it up now, first thing to do is to verify your mobile number. So now, enter your mobile number. Then click on Verify. You will receive a verification code to the mobile number you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it. If you don't have an alt ID, Kroger will create it for you. It will be provided on this pop-up message. Copy it, then click on Next. Now, enter your address. Then click on Save. And now you're all set. That's how you sign up for a Kroger account online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.